everyone, it's me, N8N Awesome Channel, and today we are going to make custom bedding for Amy Rose. Right now she has the current bedding from the PlayStation Portal review, which is a white pillow and a yellow comforter. But today we are going to show you how we make new bedding for Amy Rose. Oh, and we are also going to keep the white pillow just in case. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin. First things first, we are going to need a foam board, some glitter paper. Just kidding, we're just gonna make custom bedding, not a new bed. Anyways, for the pillow, we are going to need some cotton, some fabric, and some glue. With that out of the way, let's get to work. First, take some fabric that will be the size of a pillow. Alright, get your glue ready because you want to glue along the edges of the fabric. Fold both sides of the fabric together. Now, we're going to place some cotton balls in. You might need one or two depending on the size of the pillow. It's time to glue that last edge of that pillow. Just like that, our pillow is complete. For the blanket, we are just going to need some scissors and some fabric. The new comforter is gonna go on the bed with the old one still on it, at least for now. you have to do is just cut the fabric until it's just the right size. And just like that, we've got a comforter for our sweet Amy Rose. For the finishing touches, we're gonna start by putting the pillow on the bed, like this. How about this? Now we are going to put the comforter on the bed. Now let's make sure the bed is comfy for Amy Rose. Just like that, our friend Amy Rose now has new bedding. Alright, here we have some views of Amy's new bed. I mean, her bed with her new bedding on it. First, we have a view of her sitting on her bed. She looks very happy enjoying it right now. Then, we have a view of her lying on her bed with her new bedding. She is really happy because the bedding matches her color, but I do wish she had a rose that she could sleep with. I'm just tilting the bed so we can get better angles. Alright, here we have a view of Amy in her bed under her comforter, because no one typically sleeps on top of their comforters. Alright, now that we showed you views of her bed, I think Amy is ready to sleep. Alright, first, we're gonna lay her down, and she's gonna lay in the bed with her shoes on, because since she's a figure, she can't really take them off. And we're just gonna grab our comforter and cover her up, and that would be a whole meaning of tucking her in. So, now that she's asleep in her warm, comfy bed, we are going to tiptoe out of her room and wish her sweet